Kitchen Adventures. And for today, my sister-in-law is going to join us.
I'm back! Okay?
Yes. So ano ang ating lulutuin today?
Today, we're going to cook Ginataang Curacha with Kamias.
Oh, as you know.
Yeah, it's something different because we usually use the Kamias, Ginataang Kamias with chicken or alimango. So this is actually something I thought of doing differently by using the Curacha, crab Curacha.
Okay. So what are the ingredients that we'll need for this recipe?
Our ingredients for this recipe includes crab Curacha from Aquamaria. Then we have our vegetables, bell pepper that we cut in strips, and then we have onion springs, kamias which has been sliced diagonally for about half a centimeter. Then we have ginger that has been julienne, and then roughly chopped red onions, minced garlic. Then we also have the Himalayan salt and some freshly ground pepper, and finally a cup of the first press coconut milk or gata, kakang gata, and then we have the second press, about 2 cups of the second press coconut milk.
Okay, so ano ang ating unang gagawin for the recipe?
Okay, we started to preheat the pan. Okay, so it's now hot. High heat first, and then later we're going to lower it down to medium. So first we're going to put the oil, and then we're going to saute the garlic. So the same thing goes like my previous recipe, remember?
Yes.
That I don't really toast the garlic too much because I want the flavor to come out. So I'm going to wait until it turns a little bit brown. So do you see that the garlic is a bit brown?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can now put the onions.
And then we'll just wait hanggang maging translucent siya, right?
Yeah, a bit translucent because it's red. So it won't be as translucent as
the white
one. Next we'll do I'll put in the ginger because it's harder to cook already. It takes longer to cook than the onions. So ilalagay ko ngayon is the
Kamias.
Kamias. Because I want it a little bit sauteed. Then follow the curacha.
So yung curacha, chinap mo na yun?
Yes, I did. So we clean the curacha. It's easily cleaned just like the regular crab. And then I just have to cut it in the middle.
Usually, gano'ng katagal or gano'ng kabilis yung pagluto pag itong recipe na to?
It's actually a bit fast, pero I want the coconut, especially the first one, to really produce that oil. Yung magkukurt siya, magbubuo. So yun yung aantayin natin. So I'll put now the crab. Yan, may mga aligid, di ba?
So the crab curacha of Aquamaria comes from Zamboanga City. And yung crab curacha is also called the spanner crab. So,
this is very popular, or you can really find this in Zamboanga and Bataan.
yes.
So that's where you could really
Nakatikim na ako yan sa Zamboanga before, pero steamed siya.
Yeah,
Sobrang
usually ganun siya.
malaki siya talaga, mataba siya, no? At saka marami siyang meat. It's very meaty and very sulit kasi maraming aligid at the same time marami siyang meat. Hindi sayang yung pagbili.
So just first, I'll put the first coconut. First press coconut. So kita mo malapot na siya. Ang creamy nung kakang gata. Okay. So now, yan medyo nagbubuo na yung first coconut press. First press coconut. You can put this one in. A little bit add water. If it's too thick, you can add water.
So how much water if ever?
It depends on how thick you want your sauce. So probably we could put the bell pepper to add color also and flavor. And then we'll season it with some pepper. About 1 teaspoon of pepper, and then some salt. A teaspoon of salt, or half a teaspoon of salt. So I'll just cover this for a while.
Ang bango! Smells so good in here.
I can add this. I'm just going to leave a few pieces for decoration. You see, it changed color from white and it's a little bit orange now. See? Fats
From the crab.
is mixing well with that. This is siling pahaba or ladyfinger chili, I think, pepper. Yung ginagamit pang sigang. Iba labuyo. To make it spicy. Kasi masarap, di ba yung gatang medyo may anghang. And then we're done.
So, choice na din nila if they want na mas maanghang, they can use the labuyo or
Yes.
that one, siling haba, and then they just chop it.
Yes. Okay. That's it. So, mga crabs natin.
Wow.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
So we only use 2 of Aquamaria's Curacha crabs. So this will be good for 2 to 3 people. So this is our finished product. Ginataang Crab Curacha with Kamias from Aquamaria.
Let's try it na. Excited na talaga ako tumikim na ito eh. Kasi first time ko tumikim ng crab curacha na may Kamias. Actually, first time ko
Natutuwa nga ako eh, kasi tingnan mo, it turned orange. Kasi I was worried na baka nga it's too white. Iba rin ang lasa ng gata pag may Kamias. So you really have to try it. And
Yeah.
tell me how you think.
Ito na. Ito
What
try
you
ko
think
na siya.
about it. So let's try.
Ang bango-bango.
Totoo ha, ang Curacha has
Hello.
lots of meat.
Yeah.
See? Oh.
Oh, ang bilis mo
And
na
this
kumain.
is from Aquamaria. Oh, diba?
Ang harap. Ang sarap to, lalo pag may kanin ka. Hot bowl of rice, perfect. Thank you, Doc Cheffy, for your wonderful dish at napakasarap again. And thank you so much for joining us today. And please like and subscribe our channel, Olive's Kitchen Adventures. Bye!
Bye! Kain na.